Namaskar, Adab, this is Kal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Meerut Winter Flea, powered by Fulo Falo at Hotel de Roses, where there are all homegrown brands which have just started their venture in the pandemic during the lockdown. So this winter flea basically is a platform for all the local brands of the city to promote and sell their products, and also giving an opportunity to all the people out there in the city to enjoy the era of products that the city has to offer. So yeah, let's check it out. Moving on to the first stall, that is, we have Akshata here, and let's have a talk with Akshata.
Hello guys, my name is Akshata and I've launched a new branch. My name is King Cosmo. So I have used organic, I'm making these all with organic products.
So how you thought of starting this brand?
So during lockdown I have nothing to do with anything, so I came across a page and there were different types of workshops related to skincare and much more things were there. So basically I got interested in there were so many things and I got attracted, and I've taken 8 to 10 workshops, and if the response is good I'm further going to learn new workshops from
So
there.
it will be online.
Yeah. So you can also follow my page on Instagram, and thank you so much.
Your good name?
Aisha.
So what your brand is all about?
So I have an art brand and I do it as a hobby. And so in the lockdown I created an Instagram page, and this is it. This is entirely my work in the lockdown, and I was enthusiastic about art from school time, and so I practice and this is what it is.
Okay, so what does name Miraki signify?
Miraki is a Greek word that means that something you do with passion and you involve your heart and soul into. So yeah, it's my hobby and it's my passion. It's therapeutic for me. So Miraki. Yeah.
Nice. So how you thought of starting this brand?
I had these artworks in my notebook, and I never put it online. But in the lockdown, I was actually bored, and I started. I thought, okay, why not put it online and showcase it to the people? And if not anything else, I will have a repository of my artworks, all my artworks at a place. So yeah, I created an Instagram page, and Miraki it is.
So it's all online based.
Right, everything is online, and you can give your orders online. You can contact me online.
So what is the theme of your art?
So I basically do landscape art. So
You do it on your own, all by yourself?
Yeah, all by myself, and I do basically landscapes. So this is one of them, and thank you so much. I do floral art, more floral art. So something like this. That's a desk calendar, and its theme is floral actually. So everything is flower based, and so you can see most of my artworks have flowers and trees and landscapes.
So all the best.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, what the brand is all about?
The brand is all about the imported nuts and gravy served by in the city of Meerut. Actually, this is my father's business, but of his for 40 years we've been in this business, and I have started this business in Meerut. While I got married in Meerut, so
When did you start this?
in this pandemic phase, just a few months ago.
So how's the response?
The response is very nice. Actually, the product and the quality I've been catering It's being liked by everyone in the city. So I'm getting a good response.
How you thought of starting this?
Actually, everyone was during pandemic. Everyone was relying on whether on the online basis for the foods. And every home baked chef has been developing itself. So thought of bringing that thing. Why to rely for daily? Why to rely on for the online base for that? That is why I just thought of bringing this into
So it's both online and
both online.
Thank you. सर आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम सनी है।
सर ये ब्रांड किस चीज़ के लिए है? मतलब क्या प्रमोट
हमारे ये फ्लावर बुकेज हैं। हम लोग जैसे पहले फ्लावर बुके चलते थे वो नहीं है, वो बुके हमने लग्जरी बनाने शुरू कर दिए ओरिजिनल फ्लावर के साथ।
सर क्या रिस्पॉन्स है?
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है मेरा।
बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ जी,
तो ये ऑनलाइन बेस्ड है या ऑफलाइन?
ऑनलाइन।
Ma'am, your good name?
My name is Mrs. Nikita Vinayak.
Ma'am, please introduce your brand.
Alright, this is from Nikita Vinayak's Kitchen. I have recently started with my products like Travelton
Ma'am,
cakes.
please do it loud.
What do we write? Travelton cakes are there, biscottis and French biscuits. These are like quite different from regular things. And I'm really glad to come here. Things are turning really very excellent. Thank you so much, Bea, for giving us this chance, this opportunity. Thank you so much.
So, are you a working lady?
Yes, I am a working woman. I am teaching. Apart from teaching, this was my passion, and I really wanted to pursue this.
So, how you manage from baking to delivering the products?
Delivery is something which is like we have the delivery boys these days. They take the deliveries, but yes, these things are done only when I get them. Like I have to be a little flexible for this.
So, how you thought of starting this?
It is inside me. Like I wanted to do something related to cooking. It is my passion, and so I wanted to give a chance to
When did you
this.
start it?
I started last year only in the month of July.
So, it's online or offline or both?
It is both.
How is the response for getting management?
So this is first time something is happening like this in Meerut. So we're getting a overwhelming response, and people are really liking it and enjoying it because due to Corona, लोगों की outings कम हो गई थी, and now they have got an opportunity to come and showcase their talent.
So, this is the first time, na?
Yeah, this is the first time something like this is happening.
Meerut, actually.
Yeah, in Meerut, and especially after Corona.
Ma'am, your good name?
Zubanda.
So, ma'am, what Meerut Fitness is all about? Short introduction to videos.
So I have this venture called Fulo Follow. Fulo Follow is about empowering women. And when I say women, it's about women who cross the age of 55 years. And it's the age where we expect women to just take care of the grandchildren, take care of their houses. But then I feel that they should have a purpose there. So it's like starting life all over again when you're free of the responsibilities and then you get empowered. So I'm helping these women become business women at the age of 55. So I promote their handmade and homemade products. All the family passed down recipes have been there. So when I moved back to Meerut from Pune, so we started this venture, and then when I was here, I realized
Lockdown period, na?
yes, during the lockdown period, and it was like that there are so many local businesses that we don't know about, and then we should support them. That's how the idea was invented, and
This is the first time.
yes, in Meerut, yes. So
And it's-
What is the aim with it?
Basically, we've all stayed away from Meerut, but this lockdown kind of made us realize that there's a lot of potential in Meerut which we are not tapping on. And there are a lot of people who are working on all these, they have these small ventures that they're working from home, but they don't have the platform to promote it. So when she started Fulo Follow, she was the one who kind of initiated, that we should do something for the other people also. Of course, we've given ourselves a platform, I mean, she's given herself a platform, but of course, other people do need a platform and where they can promote their stuff, you know, where people know that this is also available in Meerut, because we are in such a close proximity to Delhi कि कुछ भी चाहिए हम दिल्ली चले जाते हैं. पता है दिल्ली पास में 2 घंटे एक दिन ट्रिप किया शॉपिंग करके आ गए. So we want to show basically the people of Meerut कि सब कुछ यहाँ मिलता है. We just need to find out कहाँ मिल रहा है and support local. Like rather than running away to Delhi for everything, pushing support local. Let these people also, you know, make a name for themselves, and they're doing amazing jobs. Like all these people who are working from home, they've put in amazing efforts. Their products are, and the quality of products that they're giving, it's too good.
How
It's
is the
very good.
response you're getting?
It's quite overwhelming, to be honest. We didn't know, you know, what to expect when we were entering in the morning, when we were booking at 3 a.m. and again at 8 a.m. We didn't know, but then everyone's coming in congratulating us, you know, that we pulled or something. But yes, it's a very yes.
And we pulled a good crowd also. I mean, COVID times, we were a little skeptical whether people would come in, you know. And then, of course, we were a new market, so that is one thing. We don't know when people are going to come in. But people have really come in, shopped a lot. I mean, of course, they had the option of getting food also back. So, you know, it was like a good combo for them. It was a good day outing. The
Are
band
you
is
planning for
amazing.
something next? Now summer winter free?
So
Oh, sorry, summer Meerut free?
Can we reveal the suspense? Or
Yeah. Okay, so because let's reveal it.
Yes.
So we'll plan a spring fleet in March.
nice,
So we're going to push for a spring fleet in March, and hopefully we'll be promoting other brands, not the ones who already put up their stalls, trying to give Meerut a chance, you know, to outshine, because I think we have amazing people here. Of course.
So we just want to thank everyone who's come and supported us. We really feel grateful, and you know, we're just hoping whenever we do next, we have a similar response.
I know. Or even a better response. I wouldn't mind.
Yes. And then something, you know, we were noticing that 80% of the stalls that are put up, you know, they're all women oriented. So Photo started
Very
yes, exactly. So it's like really amazing how we're feeling right now.
For our city, we are very proud what we've done, what we've achieved, what all these people who put up their stalls and achieved. I think we've got an amazing result. We are very happy.
Proud parents, you know,
Huh.
standing here and talking about it. It's just really nice, something like this happening in Meerut.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this was all for Meerut Winter Fleet, and indeed it was a great experience for me, and also a great initiative taken by Fulo Follow India to be vocal for local for all the young and beautiful women entrepreneurs. And I like the fact that it is basically for women supporting other women, that is for the women entrepreneurs, and which is also the need of the hour, that is to respect and maintain the dignity of the women in our country. So yeah, it was a great experience, and it also happened for the very first time in Meerut, and also looking forward for such events and covering such events. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.